I'll show you how to connect headset to Android phone. So this is my headset, right? This is my headset. This is my headset. So I'm going to show you how you can actually connect this my headset to this my Android. What I'm going to do right now, you're going to see. I'm going to just okay. At first, I'm going to come on here. I'm going to turn it on, right? Yeah. So this is it. I'm going to just simply click it. Power is on. So I'm gonna click on my Bluetooth right here. Right, it's gonna about my. I'm gonna turn on my Bluetooth. Once I've turned it on, you can see there's a whole lot of other devices I've connected previously in the past. So this is the Bluetooth. This is 700, right? So you need to turn this on first. Once I've turned it on, you're gonna turn on your Bluetooth. So this is basically how you can connect headsets to Android. If you want this video helpful, share it below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.